Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by comparing the product label to known BeastLife formats and confirming lot and expiration. This verifies authenticity markers early. Once done, open only in good light and use a magnifier to inspect print quality, holograms, and tamper seals because counterfeiters often fail at fine detail. Meanwhile, measure 1 scoop or 5g on a scale and pour into 200-300 ml water to proceed with solubility and sediment tests next. You now evaluate how the powder behaves. Pour the measured scoop into water and time dissolution because quality creatine dissolves relatively uniformly with minimal residue. Make sure to swirl, not shake aggressively, and note clarity and sediment. Excess insolubles suggest fillers. Next, smell and carefully taste a very small pinch to detect off-chemical notes. Then dip a pH strip to ensure the solution is near neutral. These checks reveal impurities and formulation differences. You finish by validating composition. If home checks raise doubts, mail a 1G sample to an independent lab for HPLC or Certificate of Analysis comparison, because that gives definitive purity and impurity profiles. Once you receive lab data, compare reported percent purity to the label. BeastLife should be close to or above 99% for creatine monohydrate. If results differ, document packaging, photos, and lab report. Then contact the seller and manufacturer for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.